eyes are on the shot. The assistant director and casting director here, her eyes are on the actor, making sure they are performing well. Her eyes and ears are on the lines. Rather, her ears are on the lines. Her eyes are on the earring, the wristwatch, the eyeglasses. Is it the right place? No, she didn't have eyeglass the first shot. She didn't have eyeglass. Oh, she's put eyeglass. Cut. Where's the eyeglass? Why? It's because she can see it quicker than the director. So that's her job, right? Now, she takes the script from the script department, and then their work is done. Once they hand over the script, they are no longer here. They are here because they want to discuss the script with us. Once they finish discussing the script, they get up and they leave. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 production manager. Okay, she does the dirty job of the business. Yeah, she's in charge of all the trouble. She's the one calming everybody. Calm down. Okay, let's work. All right, what's happening? Okay, have you got it? Okay, what's there? Do we have location? Do we have food? Do we have transport? So she's working between producer, director, every crew, and the actors. All right? Over there, you have those that have identified they want to act, or they're going to be actors. So the casting director will look at you